Namaste everyone. I'm back again with the topic chemical compounds, continuing from the previous chapters of chemical symbols. Now today I'm going to teach you about chemical compounds. What are they? What are the common chemical compounds that are found around us in home, in nature, used in factories? How are they formed? Let's moving on to now chemical compounds. They are the substances that are formed by combining two or more elements, and after formation of a chemical compounds, the elements they lose their properties and there is a formation of a new compounds with new properties. That new compound with new properties are chemical compounds. These chemical compounds they have different properties than that of the elements they combine. Now we can take an example. Water formed from two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, and hydrogen has a separate properties, oxygen has separate properties, and even when they form water, the water has a separate properties. Now we can say water is not an element. Why? Because it consists of two elements. Whenever a substance consists of two elements, two or more elements, then it is a compound. Now chemical formulas. Now these chemical formulas they are the representation of the structure of chemical compounds. Just elements they have chemical symbols, compounds they have chemical formulas. That means elements symbol short form, compounds short form, chemical formula. Now these chemical formula they show that how many atoms of element combine to form that compound. Let us take an example. The chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. That means there is one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine. Similarly, when we look at the chemical formula of water, that is H2O, it shows that there are two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Thus this chemical formula shows the number of atoms that combine to form that element. Now we can see this through this picture too. There is a water H2O, two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen, ammonia NH3, one atom of nitrogen and three atoms of hydrogen, carbon dioxide CO2, one atom of carbon attached with two atoms of oxygen. Similarly H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, two atoms of hydrogen with two atoms of oxygen. Now let's move on to the chemical compounds. They are found commonly in nature and our environment around us. Calcium carbonate, the chemical formula is CaCO3. It shows chalk, limestone, marble, carbon dioxide CaO, that is common in air, fire extinguisher gas, and soda that we drink, soft drinks, carbon monoxide CO, it is present in the incompletely burned fuel, methane CH4, that is a natural gas and it is found in a marshy area, damp area, that's why it is also known as marsh gas. Quartz, that is SiO2, light colored blocks, and sands. Now glucose, carbohydrate, that is found in a common sugar, C6H12O6. So we can look at the chemical formulas. Next, that are found around our kitchen, in our home, water H2O, ammonia NH3. Ammonia is used in window clearing products. Sodium chloride NaCl. Glucose again C6H12O6. It is found in fruit juice, honey. It is found in rice, potatoes. Now the chemical compounds that are found in industries and healthcare. Calcium oxide CaO, that is used in water treatment. Hydrochloric acid HCl, that is used in batteries, glues. Nitrous oxide N2O, that is used in mild anesthesia used by dentist in dentistry. Sulfuric acid, that is used in paint, fertilizer, detergents, explosives. Sodium hydroxide, it is used in house cleaning products that are used to clean our house. And vinyl chloride, that is used in formation of a common plastic, the plastic bag through which we carry day-to-day goods. Now that means in today's topic we studied what are chemical compounds, what are the chemical formulas. The symbols, chemical symbols represent the short form of element. Similarly, chemical formulas represent the short form of chemical compounds. And these some of the chemical compounds that are found in nature, their formula and their source. Some of the chemical compounds found in home, their chemical formula with their source. And at last, the chemical compounds that are found in industry, used in industry and used in healthcare with their chemical formula and their sources. I think the video was very helpful for you all to get clarify about some of the common compounds around us, their uses, their sources, and what is their chemical formula. Till we meet again in the next week, I hope all of you stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.